Today I have solved this problem but unique way. So 8 divided by 4 bracket 1 plus 1 what's equal. So first we solve this bracket. 1 plus 1 gives us 1 plus 1 gives us 2, multiply by 4. 4 into 2 gives us 8, and 8 divided by 8 gives us 1. But this is not an answer. By using a rule B O D M A S, B stand for bracket, O stand for order, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. According to rule, first solve bracket, then order, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. First solve bracket. 1 plus 1 gives us 2 into 4 and 4, 8. Then first solve division. Divide 8 divided by 4 gives us 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 gives us 4. That's the correct answer.